Welcome to Sunnyvale, Texas. We're going to show you this beautiful little stone-oriented project. We didn't do any structures here, but we did a kitchen, we did a fireplace, and we did a travertine floor, and we're going to tell you all about it. We started this project with a beautiful fireplace. Obviously, we had to do a massive footing under this. It's a large, oversized fireplace because they wanted to block some of the sun and some of the wind and just give a nice block there. So we did build it oversized. You do have these trees, but these trees don't give them all the protection that they wanted. So that's where this comes into play. Now, it actually has a chimney that goes all the way through the roof because they wanted to use gas and be able to burn natural wood, which they did. And then we did an oversized hearth. This was done in a chopped stone with a granite finish on top of the hearth, and that has a beautiful leather texture to it, so it's not just smooth. Then from there, we came in and did all of this travertine paver flooring. And these are travertine pavers on top of concrete. And they wanted to use colors that blended in the natural color of the stone of the house, as well as all the new stonework we did, and then tie in these dark chocolate browns they have in the ceiling and the mantle. But then again, using that beautiful granite countertop that we did here and over here on the kitchen. The last thing we did is we built this kitchen. It's not huge, but it serves the exact purpose that the client wanted. They kept it simple with just a burner, a large grill, some storage, and a trash bin. They put a backsplash on it, which is a bar ledge as well, because they wanted power, and he didn't want to be cooking and stuff falling over the back of the counter. And of course, if they wanted to, they could build out the backside and make it into a bar top. But this was a very simple project. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy, but the details are what's really important. Small details, such as the granite in the countertops, such as the herringbone pattern in the back of the fireplace, such as the big, bold mantle, and then, of course, picking the right elements and the right materials to go into this to tie the house all the way back in to the completed project. And this is how you complete a simple, very highly detailed project. So remember, when you're designing your outdoor living space, think about all these things, the small details, all the things that you want to incorporate into that. So this small, beautiful project that you see here costs just under $53,000. We really appreciate you watching our videos. We hope this helps you. And remember, always do the right thing.